Hello, welcome to English 237 Honors Section. My name is Jason Buchanan, and I'll be your professor for this semester. This is just a video that will walk you through what you can find on our course Blackboard site. I know that every professor designs their Blackboard a little different, so I just wanted to make sure that you know where everything is. As always, you will be able to find all that you need in terms of assignments, descriptions, lectures. Everything will be found on our Blackboard site. As always, you'll be able to find the links to the Blackboard sections on the left-hand side of the screen. All right. First off is announcements. I will use announcements to get in contact with you pretty regularly, remind you of classes, remind you of work that needs to be done, remind you of assignments. Also, if there needs to be any changes to our schedule, I will let you know via an announcement. These will also be sent to your email. The next most important section is the syllabus and course information section. This area of Blackboard has all of what you would call sort of the legalities of the course. You'll be able to find our course syllabus. You'll be able to find the course objectives. You'll be able to find when we meet. Now, since this is a film class, we have a required class every Monday from 12:30 to 1:45, but I will also do screenings of the films in Blackboard on Mondays from 2 to 3:30 and Friday from 1 to 2:30. If you cannot attend these screenings will be recorded for a few days. If for whatever reason you can't watch the recordings, you will be required to view those films on your own. So, you have to attend the Monday virtual session, and then I will also have screenings. As always, I will have office hours and appointments. Attendance for this online class. This is a online synchronous class, which means you must attend our Monday session. That is required. There will be assignments. There will be things that will not be made up, that will be done during that Monday session. Here's the policy on late work. I'm very forgiving with late work. Our grade breakdown, our link to the course textbook. You can find this on the Hostos bookstore as well. We only have one course text, Alexander McKendrick's on filmmaking. It's very cheap. Go ahead and get it. You can find it on Amazon, Barnes & Noble. It's really easy to get. Here are the list of films we will watch this semester. Along with the list of films, here are the areas where you can view them if you have certain subscriptions. And this is a little about me and tech requirements. So this is the syllabus and course information section of Blackboard, where you'll be able to find all of sort of the legalities and rules and basic elements of the course. The next section is our weekly materials section. Now, this is probably the most important part of the course. This is the heart of our entire course. If you have any questions about when something is due, or what we're doing this week, or what assignments are coming up, or where you can view the films, or PowerPoints of discussions, or lectures, or anything, check weekly materials first. It's the first place to go. So as you see, right now, when you go, since we're beginning the semester, there's not much up there. I like to layer things a couple of weeks ahead of time of where we're at in the course. I don't like to give students everything all at once. So, right now we are doing weeks 1 through 4, the basics. This is our first unit. And you see there are links to all of the materials for week 1, which is technically this short week, and week 2 of the semester. So, if you go and examine those two links, you kind of have a sense of what we need to do for these first part of the semester. On Monday, we will go over week 2, but go ahead, take a look at it. For right now, the only thing you need to focus on is week 1. Next, here are my contact information to get in contact with me. Underneath that is our link to where we will have our virtual class session. We may be able to change this to Zoom, depending on how we feel as a class. But right now, starting on Monday, this is where you're going to want to go. You will see a link here that says class. Next, we have discussion boards. Just like the discussion boards and the weekly materials, these will layer and appear on your website as you come. Right now, go ahead and just focus on the introductions. Underneath that, we have our major writing assignments. All right. As always, right now we just have one to focus on. Our first major writing assignment will be due on the 22nd. Finally, we will see a use of My Grades, where you'll be able to track at any point where you stand in the course, what your grades are. Underneath that, this course will use MLA style. You may have remember this from some of your previous English classes, English 111, English 110. Here are just some reminders, along with a MLA template that you can use for your paper that's double-spaced, 1-inch margins, and is perfectly set up. And then the rest of them are the rest of the links we have are the standard boilerplate links that you will find on almost any Blackboard course. So please take the time, look at everything that's available for you on Blackboard, and I will see you soon. I look forward to meeting you. Once again, my name is Professor Buchanan. I look forward to working with you, watching some really cool films, and learning to see what you think of them. See you soon.